Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a ghost keychain. First, gather shrink plastic, markers, scissors, a hole punch, key rings, and an oven-safe tray. Preheat your oven to the recommended temperature on the shrink plastic package and prepare a clean workspace. Sketch a simple ghost shape on the plastic, keeping lines bold and simple, then color carefully with permanent markers to avoid smudging during shrinking. Trace your ghost template onto shrink plastic and cut carefully with sharp scissors to maintain smooth outlines and a recognizable shape. Make the hole for the jump ring now with a hole punch sized appropriately for your hardware. Keep designs bold since shrinking intensifies color and detail. Lay the pieces flat on an oven-safe tray, cover with a sheet of parchment if recommended, and watch them transform into sturdy mini charms. Place your cut ghost pieces in the oven on a tray and follow the shrink plastic temperature and time guidelines exactly to avoid overbaking. Watch as the pieces curl and then flatten. Remove them promptly once flat and allow full cooling on a heat-safe surface. After cooling, add a clear sealant or resin for extra durability and gloss, then attach jump rings and the key ring using pliers to secure everything neatly and permanently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.